went straight under and I didn't hear it touch.
Were you really doing a $130, you said?
Yeah.
Ah, look at this whole thing. Was this cracked like this before?
Nope.
So this happened after it. What do you guys think about the lip? Got ourselves a free lip. Carbon fiber. Battle scars. That's what I'm talking about. Myself on the carbon fiber.
Because it's real carbon. You can make it work, dude. You could probably do is just maybe cut the sides a little bit.
That was easy. So the goal here would be install this broken used carbon fiber front lip off a Lexus onto this Honda Civic front bumper. Got the lip installed. Got plenty of bolts holding it into the proper locations. The worst part, as I mentioned, was right over here. We got some space here and it was hard to secure this. So what do you guys think? She's all said and done. That's the only drawback here, is I don't like how this opens up and kind of extends past the bumper. Guys, we got the bumper off again. We're test fitting this front lip. So this is how I would like it to look like right over here. As you can see, there's just a little bit of room here between the bumper. And so pretty much the bumper is way too long. So we're gonna have to cut it right dead smack in the middle. Once we cut it, we can adjust the fitting so the sides fit perfectly, and we're gonna just use a saw like this to cut it in the middle and then adjust it. Hopefully this works. We'll see. Never used this one before. All right, guys, we got the front lip pre-installed in the original destination. As you can see, the sides are much cleaner, much better. We don't have as much front lip sticking out from this area, but overall it's looking fantastic. Now the only thing is this area right here. So we're gonna align this and we're gonna have to cut just about this much off from here and then somehow align it. It's not going to be perfect. We might vinyl wrap this little area right here. We might do a red stripe right over here, and then obviously because we cut it, we're going to have to do a full resin coating on the back, supported with either with fiberglass or gauze, and that should do the trick, guys. But this is going to come out looking pretty good. All right, here we go. So the lip is pretty much finished, looking very good. Can you tell where the center cut is? Look at that. Perfect, bro. Once I put epoxy or resin on the back, seal this up real good, ain't going nowhere. Alright guys, it is the next day now. I pretty much got the lip mocked up, pre-drilled all the mounting brackets that I need to hold everything in place. As you can see, the main thing is try to keep this area aligned. You can barely see that connection right here, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now the only thing is we need to strengthen this area, and by doing that we are going to be applying fiberglass resin onto the back side of this whole lip. We also have some medical gauze here. A lot of people can use just fiberglass. Anything like this will work. So we're going to soak in the resin, some of the gauze. We're going to apply the gauze directly over here. This is the weakest point of the lip, so this will need the most strength right here, so that's what the gauze is going to help. And then we're just going to resin pretty much the whole lip going down for it to strengthen the lip so it doesn't fly off on us or break at any point in time. Just look at that, beautiful gap, looks great. And I got another surprise for you guys, but you're gonna have to stick around, subscribe to the channel. All right guys, for this you're gonna take your resin, and inside it also comes with a hardener. So we're gonna mix this up in a little empty water bottle right now. We're gonna mix this up. We already used wax and grease remover. Let's keep it right there. Never used this stuff before. Kind of eyeballing the ratio here. I don't want it to dry too fast either. So let's mix this up. It's a nice day out today, so hopefully it dries pretty quickly. I did not sand the lip down. I tried to sand it with 100 grit in one area, but it's actually making the lip smoother than it was before. So the rougher the area, the better it is going to be. The only thing I'm concerned about is it's dripping down. I don't want it to drip down. And on top of that, alright, we just left it in the sun right now to cure, to bake, to harden. I got this little contraption here, trying to arrange those two areas so they're nice and straight. It's not perfect, but should be pretty dang close. Actually, I'm digging the gloss, the high gloss that the resin is gonna leave behind, because I was gonna paint this. We still might paint it, but with the high gloss and with this being on the bottom of the car, I think it's gonna look pretty good. Dang, bumper fell off this stand. Face first, got plenty of scratches here. Plenty of scratches here. What a fail, dude. What a stupid fail.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.